Hello, good afternoon. First, Tuesday and yesterday I show you how we can get rid of elif by using return only without elif. But now we can also think we have to introduce another useful statement is continue. Then also we can simplify the logic a bit. Now suppose that here I put for certain reason we have to go in the loop here. Okay, and here we call the number test without argument. And for that one, here NPR. A very common way is that we will do something like elif. Suppose we use elif. And number is positive. Okay. There's 0. Okay, now suppose we have the loop and the decision here. It's okay because the greater than 0, it will never meet the two requirements, then it won't go to the next one. Yeah, because it's all mutually exclusive. It won't go to the next one. Negative, negative, 0, that's it. Good. So this may not be a good example. But just for certain reason you use elif. And else, what's wrong? Oh, without a colon, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So, for some reason you have to do this logic. We can get rid of it as before without elif and else because all the conditions are mutually exclusive. But suppose now for this, now I want to introduce continue. This means that if you continue, you will not go to the next. Continue to find typing too fast. And also in at Emacs with IDE, you see the color is not right. Okay. So in this case, you have negative, negative 0. No, you don't have 0 anyway. Yeah, you should have put it also. It's 0. So you have a negative, negative, and a 0 in the positive. So now with continue, this means that it won't go for the rest of the loop and that's really good. So you go back. So you can get rid of elif. So you can have always the indentation level at here. And lastly, because when you get rid the continue here, then this statement can be safely run without uh, worrying about the logic and indentation at this level, not too deep. So again, that is one of the way to get rid of elif. And remember, after continue, there's no need to have any elif, okay, or else. That's it. This will be a very simple logic idea, but it can help to simplify the logic flow and also avoid unnecessary indentation in the Python code. And I hope you like this sharing of tips in the Python coding and also how we can manage the editing of Python code in the Emacs environment. Okay, thank you. And I hope to talk to you again by another video. Bye.